even though it's not repeating. So where is 6? How does it fit in? Well, as you remember, we renormalized these vectors here with 3 additional vectors to cancel them out. Well, these, once we folded it back, once we made the 2 folds, these 3 cancel out these 3, but they're still not balanced or cancel out within themselves. So that's what we do at this step next. We draw 6 more vectors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. It's a little off balance, but that's okay. 5 and 6. It's interesting to note the distance between the ends of these vectors is not the same in the direction of the motion. It's shorter. There's a little contraction, which is what we would expect. We would expect a contraction in the direction of motion. 3.1415926. For each of these numbers, I've drawn a picture that directly relates to that number. Now, for the next one, 5. This is the first time I break from that pattern. 3 is over 10 raised to the 0. And 1 is over 10 raised to the 1, which is 10. And as you know, it continues on. So by the time we get to 5, it's over 10 raised to the 8th. Now this is the first part I'm going to cheat. I'm not going to use the 5. I'm going to use the 8. And so after this step here is when I stop. So how do I work the 8 in? Well, I work the 8 in by showing how these circles taper off to these points, A and Z. Two here, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. Makes 8.